smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Just before 7, and we're looking at our breakfast bag. It's a pretty good breakfast bag. Cloud inversion. This was our albergue for the night. Really, really good. Very pleasant. A little bit grumpy this morning because it's a bit wet. Leaving the village nice and early. There's the church. And that's where we're off to, into those clouds. Into the valley. And off we go for the day. A very slippy top layer, having been rained on overnight. Ooh, this is not good fun. On the back of a farm building, a little statue. When you choose the wrong side of the path, there's a chasm. We have this beautiful path. It's not like walking on roads or concrete. It's beautiful. Oh, stopping again. A wide path. Good morning. Day 6. We had a beautiful night last night at another small albergue. Getting to an albergue in a smaller village beyond the main stops seems to give good experiences so far. So today we've got a sort of 33k walk through. Looks fairly flat. And that sets us up for the next couple of days of things we want to do. But yeah, landscape we're going through at the moment. It's flat but beautiful, different shades of green and mountains in the distance. So yeah, let's see where the day takes us. Harvesting the asparagus. This guy's flipping over the black plastic, and these guys are chopping off the asparagus shoots. He's charging along. At this pace, he may get to the side. One of the highlights of a day, a bridge coming down into Los Alcos. We have a menagerie. Buenos días.
Hola, buenos días.
Look at that. Walking through Los Alcos. a lot quicker on this section. Getting closer to it. It's been a long drag in the open. Look at these. They have food and they're just sleeping together, aren't you? We just got out of way in time. Woo! He did wave and say thank you, to be fair. This is a very short underpass. I'm not sure it'll work, but we'll give it a go. Cacao! That's one village, and then just across the valley is the next village. And we get to go over this lovely little bridge and yeah, explore another place. And the fresh water. There we go. And what's the street called? The cemetery on the edge of town. So peaceful. Just covering the kilometres. They took off much quicker. 10 to go. Well, look at this. Some seats. And this is a memorial to a chap called Aaron Hewitt. And then markers in a tree. Coming into this church where some pilgrims are just sitting. When you see the task ahead of you, a tiny bit of wind rustling the grass with an olive grove behind. A pilgrim trail magic. What a smell. Now there's a plain laid out before us. That might be Laguna. Whoa, what are you? So I have a 1 kilometre walk on the road before you get to Viana. And then you peel off the road and into the village. And there's our destination, just in the distance. The back way into town. Inglese de San Pedro. The ruins thereof. You begin to get the hang of Spanish streets. we booked a private room, which is actually 4 beds, but we're just using 2 of them. And we get access out onto the balcony, which is great. And then just down some steps is the washing facilities.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.